Welcome to Drawlippar channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable app lock on WhatsApp. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp. Now if you have latest WhatsApp version in your phone, then you can use built-in WhatsApp app lock. You don't have to download a third-party apps. So after open the WhatsApp, just tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option. After that go to privacy option and then scroll all the way down. And here at the bottom you can see app lock option, then just tap here. Now you have to enable unlock with biometrics option. Then you have to scan your fingerprint or face lock. And it's done. Now WhatsApp built-in app lock has been enabled successfully. And then you have to select automatically lock option immediately. Now if I close WhatsApp and then open it again, and you can see WhatsApp app lock has been enabled successfully. If I close it and then open it again, if you cannot use fingerprint or face lock, then you can use your current phone pattern or pin. You have to just tap here and then draw your current pattern. And it's unlocked successfully. And that is how you can enable app lock on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.